Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to unmute accounts on Thread app. Why would you want to know how to unmute accounts on Threads app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Threads and not sure how to unmute accounts on Threads app. So today I am going to show you how to unmute accounts on Threads app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Unmuting accounts on Thread app is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for Android and iOS devices. Let me show how you will unmute accounts on Threads app. First of all, open Threads app in your device, and now here is my Threads home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the right bottom corner, and then in this screen click on two lines in the right top corner, and then click on privacy, and now click on muted, and then in this screen I have muted only one account. Now for unmuting that account, just click on unmute, and that account is successfully unmuted in your Threads account. So there you go. If you were wondering how to unmute accounts on Thread app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.